welcome to another Caketastic Cake video. I'm going to show you today how to make the ice crystals that you see in the background of the Elsa decorations there. They're just ice crystals. You can cut them however you want, but I'm going to show you how I made mine. Alright, we're going to start out with just some rolled out pieces of white gum paste, and I speared them with lollipop sticks. They're about 8 inches long. And then I just started cutting off some sharp edges. And when you do this, there's no real design to follow. Just make sure your edges are all sharp and pointy. Because of this order that I got, I'm putting a little star cutout into this one just for some decoration. But these are the large size that I'm making. I'm making these about 7 inches long. This pair is going to be around 5 inches long, but it's the same idea. You just take a big wedge, cut them up. Make sure all your angles are pointy, flatten off the bottom, as you see I'm doing here. And then do it again. I just keep doing it in different sizes. I ended up with 6 of them. And when I was all done with them, I sprayed them with a little bit of a edible silver shimmer, just to make them look really cool, as you can see here. So I hope you enjoyed my super short, super easy little video, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks. Good.